Evernote offers three kinds of encryption. The first is called TLS, or Transport Layer Security. This encrypts your data in transit. Secondly, your data is encrypted at rest using Google's server-side encryption feature to encrypt all data at rest using AES, or Advanced Encryption Standard 256-bit. In addition to these two forms of encryption, you can also encrypt selected text within a note. You simply highlight the text within a note you would like to encrypt, right-click it, and you'll see an option to select a passphrase. Then your note is encrypted. However, please be careful using this method, because if you use this method and you forget your passcode, you will be locked out of your note forever. If you like this video on Evernote encryption and would like to see more videos about note-taking apps, please subscribe to my channel.